The world may have just witnessed one of the biggest technological breakthroughs of the decade. Elon Musk has once again shocked the internet after revealing the newest version of Tesla Optimus Gen 3, a humanoid robot that appears far more intelligent, independent, and human-like than anything Tesla has shown before. For years, robots were seen as machines limited to factories, laboratories, or science fiction movies. But Tesla's new Optimus Gen 3 is beginning to blur the line between machine and intelligent worker. According to Tesla, this robot can now think, react, learn, and perform tasks with very little human control. That single announcement immediately created excitement, fear, and endless debate across the world. Some people believe this technology could transform industries forever, while others think it could eventually replace millions of human workers. But whether people are excited or worried, one thing is becoming impossible to ignore. The future of humanoid robots is arriving much faster than anyone expected. When Elon Musk first announced Tesla's robot project, many critics laughed at the idea. Tesla was already busy building electric vehicles, self-driving software, batteries, AI systems, and even working closely with technologies connected to space exploration through Musk's other companies. To many people, adding humanoid robotics to that list sounded unrealistic. At the time, competitors in robotics had already spent decades developing robots that still struggled to move naturally or function independently. But Elon Musk believed Tesla already had the most important ingredient required for advanced robotics: artificial intelligence trained in the real world. Tesla vehicles already used cameras, sensors, neural networks, and real-time decision-making systems to navigate roads autonomously. Musk believed that if a car could understand roads, traffic, see objects, and movement using AI, then a humanoid robot could eventually learn to understand homes, factories, and human environments in a similar way. The first version of Optimus looked simple compared to today's demonstrations. Early prototypes moved slowly and required heavy support from engineers. Critics claimed Tesla was years behind competitors in robotics, but Tesla followed a different strategy. Instead of hiding development behind closed doors for decades, the company improved the robot publicly and rapidly. Each generation became noticeably more advanced. The second generation of Optimus already surprised people with smoother movement, better balance, object handling, and the ability to perform basic tasks inside factory environments. Videos showing Optimus folding clothes, walking naturally, carrying items, and organizing objects spread across social media at incredible speed. Suddenly, people stopped laughing. They realized Tesla was making real progress. But Gen 3 is on an entirely different level. According to Tesla, Optimus Gen 3 is lighter, stronger, faster, and dramatically smarter than the previous versions. The biggest breakthrough is not simply the robot's physical design, but its intelligence. Tesla engineers focused heavily on improving the robot's AI brain, allowing it to process information more naturally and make decisions in real time. Instead of relying only on pre-programmed actions, Gen 3 appears capable of adapting to situations independently. That changes everything. Traditional robots are usually limited to repetitive tasks in controlled environments. If conditions change unexpectedly, many robots struggle to adapt. But Optimus Gen 3 is designed for dynamic environments where objects move, humans interact unpredictably, and situations constantly change. This level of adaptability is what makes Tesla's project feel revolutionary. One of the most fascinating aspects of Optimus Gen 3 is the way it sees and understands the world around it. Tesla uses advanced cameras, sensors, and neural networks to create a system that functions similarly to human perception. The robot continuously scans its surroundings, identifies objects, predicts movement, and adjusts its behavior instantly. If someone walks in front of the robot, it can react immediately. If an object begins slipping from its hands, the AI can adjust grip pressure automatically. Another major reason Gen 3 is gaining attention is its ability to work independently for extended periods. Tesla demonstrated the robot performing tasks without direct human control, suggesting major improvements in autonomy. Instead of following simple step-by-step commands, Optimus can reportedly understand goals and determine how to complete tasks on its own. For example, if a worker tells the robot to organize boxes, the AI can analyze the environment, identify the boxes, plan movements, and complete the task independently. This may sound ordinary, but for robots, it requires advanced language understanding, spatial reasoning, motion planning, and real-time problem-solving happening simultaneously. Tesla's years of experience with AI processing through self-driving technology may have helped accelerate this progress. Factories could become one of the first places where Optimus Gen 3 sees widespread use. Manufacturing industries constantly struggle with repetitive labor, physically demanding work, and worker shortages. A humanoid robot capable of operating continuously without fatigue could dramatically increase productivity. Unlike humans, robots do not require sleep, breaks, or recovery from physical exhaustion. Tesla already uses extensive automation inside its factories, so introducing humanoid robots into these environments seems like a natural next step. Elon Musk has even suggested that Optimus could eventually become more important to Tesla's future than electric vehicles themselves. That statement alone shows how seriously Tesla views this technology. Warehouses are another industry that could be transformed by humanoid robots. Around the world, logistics companies face rising labor costs and increasing demand for faster deliveries. Robots capable of lifting, carrying, sorting, and organizing inventory could revolutionize warehouse operations. What makes humanoid robots especially powerful is that the world is already designed for human bodies. Buildings, tools, staircases, doors, shelves, and workstations all exist for human workers. A humanoid robot can potentially operate inside these environments without requiring expensive redesigns. That gives companies enormous flexibility compared to traditional industrial robots that often require specially designed workspaces. The movement of Optimus Gen 3 is another reason people are reacting so strongly to Tesla's demonstrations. Older robots often moved awkwardly and mechanically, but Gen 3 appears smoother and more coordinated. Tesla improved joint systems, balance algorithms, motor precision, and weight distribution to create movement that feels more natural. Walking is surprisingly difficult for robots because balance requires continuous real-time calculations. Humans perform these calculations subconsciously, but robots must constantly analyze movement, gravity, terrain, and positioning. Tesla's improved processing systems allow Optimus to adjust balance rapidly, even on uneven surfaces. This creates movement that looks far more human than previous versions. Tesla is not alone in the race to build advanced humanoid robots. Around the world, companies and research organizations are investing billions into robotics and artificial intelligence. Some competitors focus on industrial robots designed for specific tasks, while others develop machines specialized in mobility or warehouse operations. Companies like Boston Dynamics have already demonstrated robots capable of impressive athletic movements. Tesla may also possess advantages that many competitors lack. The company already has massive AI infrastructure developed for autonomous driving. It also has experience with large-scale manufacturing and supply chain management. If Tesla can mass-produce humanoid robots efficiently, it could reduce costs faster than many rivals. That possibility is exactly why investors and technology experts are paying so much attention to Optimus Gen 3.